Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying third chapter trigonometric functions, and in exercise 3.3 we have 12 question. Prove the following. We have to prove this. Sin square of 6x minus sin square of 4x is equal to sin 2x into sin of 10x. Now look at this. We have to, in order to prove, consider LHS. We have to consider LHS. LHS is equal to sin square of 6x minus sin square of 4x. Please note, this is square term, this is also square term. So you will see it is in the form of a square minus b square. That is square of the first term minus square of the second term. We have the identity. We are studying this in 7th, 8th standard. That this is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Same identity we are going to use. So LHS is equal to square root of first plus square root of second. So this will be, please note here, a is equal to sine of 6x. So this becomes sine of 6x plus sine of 4x into sine of a minus b is 6x minus sine of 6x minus sine of 4x. Now see, again it can be written in the form of sine of some angle, that is sin x plus sin y. We have studied the 20th or 21th number identity. Sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 sin of a plus b upon 2 into cos of a minus b x minus, sorry, in case of x and y it will be sin of sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 times sin of a x plus y upon x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2. This is what we have studied in terms of x and y, 20 or 21th number identity. And for sin x minus sin y also we have studied sin x minus sin y is equal to 2 times cos of x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. This is what we have studied. Now same those two identities we are going to use here. Sin x plus sin y. In terms of a plus b, it will be sin a plus sin y is equal to 2 times sin of a plus b upon 2 into cos of a minus b upon 2. And this will be sin a minus sin b is equal to 2 times cos of a plus b upon 2 into sin of a minus b upon 2. So a minus b we take just to avoid the confusion between identities and the question. So let us see now this question. Sin x plus sin of 4x is equal to 2 times sin of angle is 6x plus 4x upon 2 into cos of x, that is 6x minus 4x upon 2. This is first identity for first bracket. For second bracket we have 2 times cos of 6x plus 4x upon 2 into sin of 6x minus 4x upon 2. So this is equal to 2 times sin of 6x plus 4x is 10x upon 2 is 5x. This is cos of 6x minus 4x is 2x upon 2 is x. This is first. Second is 2 times cos of 6x plus 4x is 10x upon 2, that is 5x, and sin of 6x minus 4x is 2x upon 2, that is equal to sin of x. Thus we have got 2 into sine of phi x cos x, 2 into cos of phi x into sin x. Please note here angle is phi x. Now I am just rearranging the terms. So this is equal to 2 times sine of phi x. Cos x is written further, we will get cos of phi x. And cos x is shifted this side. So I am interchanging the position of this cos phi x and cos x. I will get, in second bracket I will get 2 sin x into cos x. Now please note, we have an identity for sine of 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Please note, we are going to use the same identity in reverse order. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine of 2 times the angle. So this becomes, please note, this is 2 times sine of phi x cos of phi x. So this total is equal to sine of 2 times phi x, and this becomes sine of 2 times x. So if you solve this further, you will get sine of 10x into sine of 2x. Please note, we were asked to prove the same. Sine 2x into sine 10x, that is first term into second term, is equal to second term into first term. So this can be written as sine of 2x into sine of 10x. That is equal to RHS. Thus we can say that sine square of 6x minus sine square of 4x is equal to sine 2x into sine of 10x is proved. Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying third chapter trigonometric functions, and we are solving problems from exercise 3.3, and 13th number question is, we have to do this. Cos square of 2x minus cos square of 6x is equal to sine 4x into sine of 8x. Now this problem again can be solved as we have solved the 12th problem. Please note here, first term is also a square, second term is also a square. So we have to first use our algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. For using this, we are going to consider LHS. So first consider LHS. Now LHS is equal to cos square of 2x minus cos square of 6x. So if you use algebraic identity, we will get LHS is equal to a plus b, that is cos of 2x plus cos of 6x into cos of 2x minus 6x. So cos 2x minus cos of 6x. Now please note, we have used earlier identities sin x plus sin y and sin x minus sin y. I have kept it as it is. Now we have to use cos of x into cos of y. Cos x plus cos y and cos x minus cos y. Now for this we have the identity cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 times cos of x plus y upon 2 into cos of x minus y upon 2, and cos of x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 times sin of x plus y upon 2 into sin of x minus y upon 2. These two identities we are going to use. So this becomes, LHS becomes cos of 2x plus cos of 6x. Please note, is at x we are having 2x and at y we are having 6x. So this becomes 2 times cos of x plus y, that is 2x plus 6x upon 2 into cos of 2x minus 6x upon 2. This is first bracket, and second bracket is minus 2 times sin of 2x plus 6x upon 2 into sine of 2x minus 6x upon 2. This is second bracket. So this becomes, LHS becomes 2 times cos of 2x plus 6x is 8x, 8x upon 2 is 4x. This also cos of 2x minus 6x is equal to cos of, you will get 2x minus 6x is minus 4x, minus 4x upon 2 is minus 2x. Please note we have got the negative angle. Then in second bracket we get negative 2 into sine of 2x plus 6x is 8x upon 2 is 4x. And 2x minus 6x is negative 4x sine of negative 4x upon 2, that is equal to negative 2x. Now please note, for this we have cos of minus x is equal to cos x. This identity I hope everybody remembers. And sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Or that is sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x. Now if you use these two identities, it becomes LHS remains, LHS is equal to 2 times cos of 4x. Please note, cos of negative 2x is equal to, sign does not change, so this becomes cos of 2x. This is our first bracket. Now in second bracket, see what happens. Sin 4x, this minus I will write later on, minus, and this becomes sine of minus 2x becomes minus sine of 2x. So minus sine of 2x, that minus and this minus, it becomes plus. So this is equal to 2 times sine of 4x. Please note, this sine minus sine 2 theta it becomes, and so we have to change. It becomes sine of 2x. Now please note, this angle is 4x, this angle is 2x, this angle is 4x, this angle is 2x. So again we write similar angle at one place. So this becomes 2 times, I am writing this, sin 4x into cos 4x. Please note, I have written 2, I have written sin 4x, I have written cos 4x. Now remaining terms are 2 sin 2x into cos of 2x. We have already studied one identity, sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Same identity we are going to use in reverse order. Please note, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine of twice the angle. Angle become 2 times. So here this is equal to, first 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine of double of 2 times 4x, and 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sine of 2 times 2x. So this is equal to sine 8x into sine of 4x. So we have got the same, first term into second term is equal to second term into first term. It means this is equal to sine 4x into sine of 8x, that is equal to RHS. Hence we can say that cos square of 2x minus cos square of 6x is equal to sin 4x is equal to sin 4x into sine of 8x is proved. Please, I request you to solve these problems again and again in order to get the sufficient practice.